Okay, we came off of Highway Interstate 25 South, and we seen this little town called Midwest.
So we're gonna go down here and check it out.
We'll go check it out. See what it is. Oh, that's our second semi. That's Shirley Williams.
It says population of 480 people. He's hoping to find a hamburger down here. Surely, he said, somebody has to be making a hamburger down here.
Nope, that ain't Shirley Williams. Yeah, it is. It is Shirley Williams. I don't think so.
Welcome to the Midwest, home of the Oilers. Salt Creek Days.
Huh.
Second weekend in August. Tacos and burritos.
Ooh. Okay, we just got done eating
Sinclair's gas station in Midwest, Wyoming. We pulled off the road, and I think it was exit 154. Let the dogs run off leash. It was a nothing area, so they just ran free for a little bit. They were very happy with that choice. And then we started looking and thought, why not just go down 7 miles and check out that little town? John was hungry and said somebody had to be making a hamburger. Well, Sinclair's had hamburgers, pulled pork sandwiches, burritos, tacos. They were out of taco shells, burrito bowls, fried chicken. So we are full. We got our bellies full. Cute town. We liked it. Now we're just driving through it, just check it out. That's where we pulled off right there. 2 little side spots.
Yep.
No cars. It's not, doesn't have food and gas signs, but there are food and gas down there, but it doesn't have signs out here. 7 miles back.
At cattle crossing, so we let the dogs run.
They're used to being off a leash at home, so this is like, what are you doing to us? Cute town.
Yeah.
We are in Casper, Wyoming Visitor Center. And this looks like, I'm assuming they put it together, or was it here? We don't know because we haven't gone in yet. Garrison Pony Express, an old corral, and Ben Snyder Agent. Huh. That's cool.
Got little trays on the roof, but that'd be a good place for tomatoes and cucumbers.
That one's locked. So this is nothing but a dirt floor. And look at the window.
Too big to be a town, ain't it?
Huh?
Too small to be a city?
Big.
Oh. I don't know how big that's got to be a city, bunk in the city. And really, that's not that big. Okay,
Leaving Casper, Wyoming, and we're getting on 25 South, heading to Glendo State Park. Sounds like a big park, 550 camping spots. Wow.
Turn left onto the I-25 South ramp.
I'm not sure. This I-25 South ramp, why does it look so weird?
Boy, the clouds are rolling in. It's about that time. Every evening at the same time, clouds are rolling in Wyoming. Ooh, Dairy Queen.
6% grade. Hang on.
Hang on.
Going downhill.
I like just being able to pull off when we want to. There's your sign.
There's a sign.
How do you say that? Avers, Natural Bridge, Ayers, Natural Bridge. No animals. Open 8 to 8, no animals.
Okay, we're 1 mile from
Natural Bridge.
Natural Bridge. sure what we're getting into. The sky is cold black behind us. Let's show you we get up there. Looks bad.
I think it's a 5 o'clock thing here. The clouds get terrible. They start giving alerts on the radio about hailstorm and thunderstorms and high winds, and thankfully it goes away. Google is your friend. Google Maps is your enemy. See, if we were pulling our car, you would not have done this. Oh, isn't that pretty?
Okay, this gate is locked at 8 p.m.
This gate is locked at 8 p.m.
Time is it?
No pets permitted. Not 8 p.m.
RV overnight camping limited 30 feet. We could have camped down here.
Huh. No animals. $100 fine.
Huh.
No, we couldn't have. Look at that.
Oh. I don't really understand the animal thing much. Not no, just nobody cleans up after their pets, or
People are worse than animals.
that's what I was thinking. But
Beautiful.
I wish we'd come down here before we made a thing for the state park.
Why? We can't have animals down here.
That's true.
We gotta hold it for 2 days? Or just for 24 hours?
Jack, sorry, but you gotta stay on the other side of the fence. And hope it don't rain.
Wow, this is pretty.
No, this is crazy. Pretty.
Oh, the water down there. Got my sticker,
Your
see?
sticker. You can put them in the glove box.
I'm gonna use them in my thing today.
Well, we're gonna be out of here before I ever get my phone new.
Caution, steep bump. Sorry, dude. He's waiting on you, and you just.
You got plenty of room in that little bitty car.
Oh, that's hysterical.
That's a workout.
It's hysterical.
Old power plant.
Steep bump. Hard bump. Slow road used for a walkway. Somebody lives down here?
Apparently.
Bridge up ahead. Parking, picnic, camping. This is a little secret spot, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Is that why they say no dog? Because the person lives down here?
Maybe. No animals allowed on premises.
Can I get back there or what?
I think so. No pets.
No loud radios.
No fun. No fun. One way. this funky tree? Beware of rattlesnakes. It's beautiful down here.
It is.
Did we bring the rain with us? I might have brought the rain. It's one way.
So much we got here.
I'm sorry guys, but they seem very serious about this no
No pet
dogs.
stuff. We're at the Arch in Wyoming. We can't get the dogs out. There's signs everywhere saying it's a $100 fine for animals to be out. So we're just making a pit stop here anyway. But it is a pretty cool creek running. So here's that sign. So, and the bridge this way. Hello, how you doing? And we think that thunder is coming. Let's go and see what that. There's snakes and there's Lori in front of us.
Huh?
There's Lori.
Got kicked out because I left my dogs in the car. Oh no. Ours are too, and they're
Yeah,
not happy
yeah.
about it. They're going to kick you out if they see them.
Oh,
In the
They're
car?
not allowed, even in your car. We just got kicked out.
And they're for my
Are you
disability, but
serious?
He didn't even
Yeah,
check.
he has epilepsy in their dog, and we were respectful with the signs, not
Yeah.
bringing them out, but they just literally kicked us out here.
Why
My
is that
car's
like
running
that?
with the
because
AC
they saw them.
Yeah, just they're inside.
on. I said, well, they're in my car. I'm not going to let them out. And he's like, not on the property. He's like, I'll get the sheriff if you don't like it. Just threatened to call the sheriff.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So if
Like,
your
so
dog's
yeah,
in your
bring the
car,
sheriff.
just go.
I don't have a problem you bring it here. Like,
Huh.
That's insane.
Yeah.
What's on
We didn't
site?
get ours out either
Yeah,
because
because you're being respectful
Yeah.
of the signs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's fired, bro.
and I'm like, they're pretty serious about it. No dogs.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
my
there's a lot of
goodness.
signs, and I'm like, all right, we'll be respectful, leave them in the car.
Yeah.
But yeah. So be careful.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm glad you got to
Yeah.
see it. Gee.
We're out of here too in a minute. Look at that. That's crazy. So if you guys heard some of that,
They're
I
serious.
guess if you come down here, don't bring your dog. We got our dogs. We ain't heard nothing, but
Dogs
two people
posted
just got
sign
kicked
everywhere
out.
because they have dogs in the car. No dogs on premises. So don't put into camp here if you have a dog. Are you going down there?
yeah, so walk away real quick. Huh.
That's insane.
That is. So this privately owned? I don't know. That's weird. All right. That's the arch. Pretty cool.
Natural bridge.
Natural bridge. We don't get out here before we go to jail. We got our dogs. They are in the camper, but yeah.
That's pretty. I'm glad we
Yep.
did it.
Me too. So we're getting out of here. If you guys can see right over that way, that shows up, it is coal black over there. Okay, we're going out the one way the wrong way because these tree limbs are pretty low. And Lori just don't keep her window up.
Because we have
So
a
don't
feeling
get
we're going to get yelled at. It
No,
says
we don't
one
know.
way.
The couple here said they got yelled at for having their dogs in their car, and there was no dogs allowed on the property.
On premises.
Yes.
So I'm going to not look because he's out here weed eating and I'm sure we're going to get yelled at.
Yeah. or
I'm
him too?
scared. Oh, her.
She's not yelling.
Yeah, she don't care.
Well, he might. They don't seem to be looking at us.
No.
Okay.
That one was pretty close.
So there's trails up here too, and they're marked easy, easier. Maybe they just are employed here. They don't even live here or something, but pretty nice setup actually. It's pretty nice. Please register your visit. Should we go and sign the book?
No.
How rude.
If you want to.
I think I do.
Okay. Well, I guess we didn't get yelled at. So.
What did you get yelled at? There's several people here today that signed that book.
30 feet.
We were the third person that signed that book today. We're leaving a natural bridge. You can see the bridge right there next to the rock. That's amazing. I would love to live here. Okay. So did they make the natural bridge? But it wouldn't be a natural bridge if they made it. Right? Yeah, this is the old power plant. Built early 1900. There's the sign. Early 1900s.
Well, the RV officially pretty much has broken in. Probably done, but
Well, that was very
all right, we're rolling.
We're not going to ask what's next. Are we?
I don't think so. Just gotta figure out what's busted and what ain't at this point.
We're fine. Nothing's busted.
Let you see it come off the roof.
Yeah. No service down here.
We just got back on the interstate here, and this is what's on the interstate. So probably kind of glad we was on the back road.
Yeah, I don't want to
When
be on
it's
this
hell.
road with hail.
No, and that was a lot of it.
I bet a bunch of insurance companies getting some hail
Oh,
claims.
look at that little trailer.
Oh,
trying to get
no, no,
across.
no, no, no. Oh, my gosh. Dude. It's like ice.
Yeah. stayed out of it, or we just got worse into it. I don't know. Either way. At least we was in a safe spot.
Yep. Yeah, we saw something pretty. KOA is up there. Okay, let's see what it says to do from here.
111.
111.
Marker 112. Exit 111.
Go up here and you make a left at the stop sign.
Got over half a tank, but I just seen that 398 back there.
398?
298.
Population 237. A's Lounge and Grill. Ice. Liquor. ATM. Drive up. C-store. Home of the oldest consecutive cribbage tournaments. Okay, we're making a right here.
Right.
We're making it right. Old Western Saloon. Trading post. Oh, I want to go in that trading post. We'll have to take a ride down here. Looks like it's 5 miles away from our campsite. Okay, we're making a left here. Glendo State Park. A lot of boats, makes sense. Twice the ice.
Huh.
Well, you get your own container? 5 gallon, $1. Okay, we're going to the right.
Right. A lot of boats.
A lot of boats. Rodeo ring. Hello everybody, we are at Glendo State Park and it's cold. Wyoming.
Wyoming.
Freezing.
Middle of June. It's freezing.
We've had a hailstorm twice. We've been hailed on twice. Rain. We went from 91 yesterday to 63. They tried to give us a beachfront view. And this one said, no, we're not beach people. Let's have some pine trees. So we got a pine trees, but look what we get. We get a view of telephone poles and a main road.
Yep.
So I'm trying to watch the dogs. Where is everybody?
I know, you ain't staying in camera very well.
Maverick! Where's Maverick?
Very good question. He's right there. Let's see. I picnic too.
Oh. Anyways, so, oh, there's Jax. He's pooping. We got a pooper. Come on. Maverick's sitting right here.
We're gonna get a good night's sleep.
Yes.
And we're gonna get on the road, not tomorrow.
On the
next
19th.
19th.
We're staying 2 nights here.
2 nights.
Ride our bikes and explore a little bit.
Yep.
Night, everybody.
Good night.